Okay, here we are. We're going to do a smoked chicken breast, but we're going to try and do it like similar to a beer can chicken. And what I'm going to do, just taking some butter here, put some beer can chicken spices in it, and injecting as much of this butter inside it as I can. That was nice. Okay, I've injected both sides of this about as best as I can. Just going to rub this down. Take some of this seasoning, season it up real good. Do the same thing on both sides. Good and buttery. Yeah. Still a little inside. Why not? Can't hurt, can it? A little bit on the top, a little bit on the bottom. And got everybody ready to go here. How's that look? We'll just and hopefully it all works out here. Okay.